So our next topic is monitoring and maintenance. So if you're the DBA and you've gone through all of the work to install and configure SQL Server, to load data, to secure your data, your ongoing operations are going to be monitoring and maintenance. So let's talk about what's involved there. One of the things you'll be responsible for as a DBA is tracking server and database health. And by health, we mean how is the system performing? Are there any errors? Is there any corruption in the data? What's the resource usage like? Start to think about upgrades to the system. Are we going to need more memory down the road? Are we going to need more CPUs? You'll track job execution, because a lot of what happens for a DBA is something that can be scheduled and executed unattended, things like backups, for example, because you don't want to be there at 2 a.m. issuing a backup command. So you'll run a scheduled job, and you'd like to know whether it worked or not. Speaking of backups, a very important role of the DBA is validating backups, because just because you've backed up the data doesn't mean that it was backed up successfully, and it doesn't mean that you can restore it successfully. So testing your backups is very important. Another ongoing operation for a DBA is going to be tuning indexes. While a developer may have created the indexes, it's going to be your responsibility to track their usage, to see whether they are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Do you need to add new indexes to support operations? Do you need to drop duplicate indexes? We've got lots of coverage of these topics in other courses. And then periodically you may need to handle updates, whether it's Windows update to the OS, whether it's updates and cumulative updates and service packs to SQL Server, or the next version down the road. All of these things fall into the realm of the DBA.
So it's your final chance to show me how things work. Let's take a look at monitoring and maintaining.
All right, here's the demo.